You should buy these Air Jordans while you can, because I think the price is gonna skyrocket. This Air Jordan was a problem when they released. I got these from the sneakers app. I hit. Thankfully, Nike's been decent to me lately. I haven't gotten any exclusive access on anything lately, but hey, a W is still a W. So here we have a pair of Air Jordans that I'm gonna tell you guys, I think you guys should buy now. Now's the time to buy them while you can, because I do expect prices on these definitely to go up, especially during the holidays coming up. So right here, we have a grade school pair. You guys can buy men's pairs. I suggest buying men's pairs from anywhere from like $250 to $270. And grade school, get them for 200 bucks. Get them for 200. They're gonna go up, in my opinion, to probably around 280 to 300. And then men's pairs, get them for around 250 to 270. I do expect them to go up probably to around 320, 340. So make sure you guys cop while you can, because I do expect prices to go up over time. Hey, maybe during the holidays, a little price increase as well. Demand will go up for Air Jordan 4s. So this right here is a grade school pair. I wish I took a W on a men's pair. I'm gonna give away a pair of lost and found Air Jordan 1s in my next video. So make sure you guys smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and join the More family. Leave a comment, let me know your size. We're gonna start this giveaway next video. Make sure you guys subscribe and watch my next YouTube video for the giveaway for the lost and found Air Jordan 1s. Good luck. I want you guys to leave a comment down below. Let me know what your last cop was on the Nike sneakers app. Right here, we have the Air Jordan 4 Midnight Navy. This is my first time seeing these in hand, and I almost feel like they're white cement 4s. It's very, very close. So on these Midnight Navy 4s, wherever you have black on the white cement, you have this Midnight Navy color, and it's very dark. It's very dark. Almost black. It's slightly off. It is blue, of course, but it's very close. And on feet, you're probably gonna wind up wearing the same fits. So this is a clean Air Jordan 4, and I must say, quality is nice. The leather is tumbled. It's soft. It's a good sneaker at the end of the day. It's wearable, it's clean. This is a white cement 4 wannabe, very close. These were a problem when they released for sure. They sold out very quickly. A lot of people were anticipating this Air Jordan 4, and I do see people wearing these already. So that's a good sign that prices will go up. So I do recommend buying them while you can. If you can go ahead and buy some pairs, I do suggest doing it and holding on to them if you want to. Hey, this is a great personal sneaker as well. I definitely recommend wearing these. This is a clean Jordan 4 that you really can't go wrong with. This colorway, this color blocking, it's so clean, and of course, looks like the white cements so much. It's crazy how much these look like the white cement 4s, especially in hand now. But they're a great Jordan 4, man. This is a great release. And if you guys notice, Jordan Brand has been doing this thing a lot, where they'll give us a remastered, a reimagined version of these original Jordans. So right here, this is basically the white cement 4. We also have the Red Thunder 4, which is basically the Thunder 4 with red. We also had, you know, the Black Cement 3. They put some gold hits on that. The military black 4s, of course, being the military Air Jordan 4. Jordan Brand keeps doing this. It keeps selling out, having hype and demand. Are you a fan when Jordan Brand does this? Are you a fan when they take these classic models, put a slight twist on it, and this is what we wind up getting? Leave a comment, let me know your thoughts. I think sometimes it's a hit, sometimes it's not. This time, I think it's a hit. I think it's good looking, I think it's clean, I think it's a good looking shoe that will go up in price. People are gonna wear them, and the color blocking, colorway are just great. It's wearable. So I definitely expect prices to go up. Grade school, get them for around 200 bucks. I do expect them to go up to around 280 to 300, like most grade school Jordan 4s have really been doing. As well as men's pairs, 250, 270, and I do expect them to go up probably to like 320, 340. So I think it's a great hold and just a great looking Air Jordan 4. A really good Jordan 4 to, you know, close off the year. I think we are getting maybe a few more pairs. This is it when it comes to like a massive general release. So I think it's a clean Jordan 4 that you can't go wrong with. And that white cement colorway, color blocking is just OG. It's classic, and they put a twist on it. Don't sleep on the Midnight Navy Air Jordan 4. These were definitely a problem when they released, and I expect them to be more of a future problem as prices go up people wear them, and people look back on this release and realize how good this sneaker is. It's a good looking shoe. It's the White Cement 4. It's a classic. It's a great looking Air Jordan 4 that you guys cannot go wrong with. This tumbled leather is so nice. It's a great shoe. These are clean. Don't sleep on them. Please make sure you guys smash that subscribe button, join the More family, and hit that thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. The Air Jordan 4 Midnight Navy is fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.